Hey everyone! Welcome back to RS Computer Solutions. In this video tutorial, I'll show you how to install Kali Linux on VirtualBox in Windows 11. Open VirtualBox and click New. Set the name as Kali. And select type, Linux. Select version, Debian, 64-bit. Allocate at least 4 GB RAM. Processor 1 CPU and set hard disk 40 GB. Click Finish. Now go to Settings, click the Advanced tab. Set Share Clipboard Bidirectional. Set Drag and Drop Bidirectional. Go to the Display section, and set Video Memory Maximum. Go to Storage Controller, IDE Empty. Click Optical Drive and choose a disk file and select the Kali Linux ISO you downloaded. Click OK, then click Start to boot Kali Linux. Choose Graphical Install and press Enter. Select Language, Region, and Keyboard Layout. Enter hostname in the hostname field, and click Continue. Enter a username and password. Select your time zone. Follow instructions for the installation of Kali Linux. Choose Guided, use the entire disk for partitioning. Select Yes to install the Grub bootloader. Wait for the installation to complete and reboot the system. Now, Kali Linux is installed on your virtual machine. And that's it. You now have Kali Linux running on VirtualBox. You can start exploring cybersecurity tools and ethical hacking. If this guide was helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment if you have any questions. See you in the next video.